Channel. Today it is day 16 of Vlogmas. We are going to be unboxing day 16 in our calendars and I'm very excited. Let's get into it. We're going to go straight into the Airwick one and let's find number 16. Found it. Which one will we have today? Ooh, oh, it's my favourite one. It's the mulled wine one. Lovely, and I did give it a big scratch with the scissors there, can't help myself. Let's go into the one that I made myself. Day number 16. It's getting hard to remember what day we're on now. Day number 16. And it is, oh, it is a lip butter. This is a Nivea lip butter in the flavour, I was going to say shade, in the flavour, vanilla and macadamia. It just looks like this. Very, very nice. Can't wait to use this. I can't wait to smell it, but I'm not going to open it right now. Just because I feel like I can almost... No, I think I can smell something else. Something like... Oh, I was going to say something vanilla-y, and this is vanilla. Wow. Wow, Sam. Wow. Okay, it smells good, and I can already smell it. Let's go into Soap and Glory. Ugh. Number 15. Soap and Glory, number 15. Number 15. Why am I singing? Why am I singing? Oh, not number 15. We've already opened number 15. That's why I couldn't find it. Number 16, and I have found it. They really do give things away by the shapes of the things in this calendar, just so you guys are aware. But I'm excited because it's another Pillow Plump. And you guys might remember that I was excited to get these in the past. Smells the same as the other ones. And this is more of just like a clear shade. It's in Clairvoyant, so it's going to be like a clear shade, but I bet it's got like a shimmeriness to it, so that's cool. Sleek. Let's go into the Sleek calendar. I'm getting confused as to where we are now, but let's all have a drink. Cheers, everybody. Number 16. Number 16. I am remembering now that I did open a wrong one in one of these calendars. I haven't come across it yet. I can't remember what number it was. Maybe it was like 19 or something. I don't know if you guys can remember that from like earlier on in this series. So this is a Sleek I'm Conditional Mascara. I'm not going to open it because I don't like to open mascaras until I'm ready to use them, but it's quite little and cute, and yeah, I'll be interested to try that. I don't have any Sleek mascaras, so it will be interesting to see how that is, how it works, and if it's any good. I can definitely do like a makeup munch on it if you guys want to know. If anyone is interested in that, let me know down below. Let's move on to the L one. Whoa, oh, so 16 is a big one and it's this one here, so I don't even need to open it. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother with that because it fell out. Like, it fell out straight away from day one. It had fallen out. But this is a Sarah Chapman London Skin Assist. I don't know, whatever that says. So it's basically a face mask. So I will try this out for you guys and see how it is. I've got so many masks that I need to try out, but I definitely will try it and I will let you guys know how it goes. Let's go into this beautiful glossy box. And we're looking for... What number are we on now? 16. And it's this one! Number 16. I do love the glossy box packaging. I'd probably say that in like every single unboxing that I'm doing, but I do. I just love it. What is this? Pop Beauty. Oh my god, I love that. I love that shade. Pure pigment in metallic copper. I don't have very many pigments, so I'm very excited to try this out. I want to try it out now. Obviously, I'm not going to, but oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, so I'm very excited to try this out. Don't have anything like this in my collection. So, very, very good. Let's move on to the Body Shop calendar. And what do we have today? Oh, number 16's here. It's quite a big box. Oh, and it's a heavy one. Oh, it's a very heavy one. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a good one, but it's heavy. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god, it's the Drops of... Oh, okay, so I don't have this. I have the Drops of Youth collection. I have the skin thingy, the like peeling one, the wash, and the Drops of Youth serum. So this is more Drops of Youth, which is a really good collection, and this is the Drops of Youth Bouncy Sleeping Mask. Please be one that you don't have to wash off though, because who wants to get up in the morning and have to wash a face mask off? Like, I already hate getting up in the morning, so... But that's just me, I'm sure most people don't mind. So let's have a look. Does it have directions? I need directions. So it looks like this. Oh. Oh, it's really jelly creamy-fied. Smells like the Drops of Youth. I really like the smell of the Drops of Youth. Wow, this is so fun and exciting. But where are the instructions? Tell me what I need to do. Okay, I might just have to Google it. They might be on here somewhere, but I don't want to spend this video like... I don't want these videos to be too long, so I don't want to spend ages like looking for instructions and whatnot. And there's a lot of like non-English stuff. So yeah. Apply every night on cleansed skin. It just says leave on to absorb, so it doesn't say to wash it off the next day or anything. So, I'm excited about that. I'm very excited about that. Yes, literally so far there isn't anything that I've got more. There's nothing, apart from maybe an eyeliner, but I can't even remember, that came in the last calendar. So I'm so impressed with this Body Shop calendar, I'm really excited about it. Let's look at the Look Fantastic one. What is it? It is... Ooh, it's like a liquid liner pen. I do love liquid liner pens. Ooh, it looks like a good one as well. Like, it looks like a good shape. Yes, I cannot wait to try that out. So I do have quite a few now. I don't actually wear, like, you guys probably have noticed, I actually don't wear liquid liner that often. Like, I don't have, like, wings on very often. I think it's because I'm not really very good at doing it, but I do need to try. I do like the look of it. Sometimes I think, you know, you don't need a wing. But I do like the look of it sometimes, so I do really need to try them out. And I will do. I shall. Anyway, you guys, that is it for number 16 of the unboxing of these calendars. Woo! We are getting there now, you guys. It is getting closer to Christmas. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for all your support. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you are, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.